Hey guys, NielVTEC here, and today I'll be showing you how to change your transmission fluid in your car. The process will be very similar for most cars, but today I'll be showing you how to do it on my Acura RSX. And keep in mind that an automatic transmission will take more fluid than a manual one. So the tools we'll be using today are a car jack, some jack stands, a drain pan, a funnel with a tube, some paper towels, a new washer, a 17mm socket, a torque wrench, a breaker bar, a cardboard to catch all the oil, and obviously new fluid. The manual transmission in my car takes about 1.5 liter, so 2 bottles of this should do the trick. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is raise your car and make sure it's level. I recommend that you take this wheel off for extra safety and for more visibility. Then prepare by putting the cardboard and the drain pan underneath it. Now you're going to be able to see your drain bolt here and your filler bolt there. The next step is to loosen up the filler bolt first to make sure that you can actually fill this back up with new fluid. Then you want to loosen up the drain bolt just like this. This is going to smell really bad, especially if it's never been changed before, so don't be surprised. Once it's done dripping, you're going to want to close this up with the drain bolt, then torque this down to 29 foot-pounds. Then fill the transmission back up with the new fluid. So put the tube inside the filler hole here and fill this up. You're gonna know that it's enough when you see or hear the fluid leak out of the filler hole. Once that's done, close it up with a filler bolt. Make sure that you change the washer to prevent leaks, then torque it down to 33 foot-pounds. And that's that. Put back your wheel and jack down your car. So yeah, it's really that simple. This should take you around 20 minutes to 30 minutes to do. It's important to do this if you want to make your transmission last. And this should also fix the problem of the third gear pop-out for RSX owners. I recommend you to do this every 2 to 4 years. Anyways, if this video helped you out, leave a like. Subscribe for more videos like this. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.